Hey guys, Cole here again with Bound Greens, and today I'm going to show you pretty much how to grow suckers from tomatoes. So come on in closer and I'll show you the kinds of tomatoes I'm going to repot today. So I'm just going to repot them in these, which is what I actually got these tomatoes from before I transplanted them. So they'll go back to their original pot, I guess. And I just mixed up my own potting mix from peat moss and compost and all that stuff, so that's good. So what a sucker is like, see, here's the main stem of the tomato plant, and then there's a leaf stem coming out of the tomato plant, and then in between the junction is a little tiny, like, leafy stem coming up. So that's a sucker, and then that will become a plant eventually if it gets underground and you can get it rooted. But these are too small, so before I transplanted these, I planted them deeper. And like this one here, this one is a sucker because there's a stem under this, and then in between that was this that came out. So it's starting to root up. So I'm going to just get this off and so yeah, I guess I'll just cut until then, because it's kind of hard to get off. So yeah. So now that we're back and I got it out, took a while to get that out. So as you can see, since I buried it, it got some root system on it, down here. And I'm going to plant it even deeper, probably up to about here. And what you're going to have to do is, and you can see that there are even suckers coming off of this, so it's kind of already a plant. So I'm just going to cut off the leaf stems, these two bottom ones, because they're kind of close to the ground. And then what you want to do is, see these little other suckers coming out? Just want to kind of pull those off so that's gone. And then pull the other one. And then there's some flower stems coming out. You just want to cut those off because those are just going to draw energy from the establishing plant, and it's going to be in shock already. So, and then there's another one up here. I'm just going to take that off if I can. And so yeah, there's another one right there. So you got that. And then I've got my pot right here. It's going to make a pretty decent hole in it. And I'm just going to take my plant and just pretty much shove it in and put the dirt around it. And then take some water and I'll water it. And yeah, so you can do that with some of the suckers that you got that got a little bit bigger. And by the way, before you do this, you might want to know that the suckers actually, since they're called suckers, they kind of suck the energy from the plant, maybe slow it down a little bit. So just take that into consideration. But yeah, but that's just an easy way to get some new plants going. So I got a new plant there, and I'll do the rest, I guess, a little bit later. But yeah, I guess we can just show you the greenhouse and everything, what's going on. So yeah, the greenhouse is right here. The pumpkins are getting a lot bigger, and I think I might plant those outside today or tomorrow. And then the peas obviously got really bigger, and oops. But yeah, the beans came up really nice. They're getting some leafage up here. That's how you pronounce it, I guess. And then the radishes are getting some leaves down here. And let's see. The mango is getting some new leaves at the top, which you probably can't see, but yep. Pear trees I've got to plant desperately, like, soon. And then got some lettuce down here, which is just really nice. Going great. And I don't think I'm going to thin it because it's growing, as you can see, and if it's growing, I don't care. And let's see, what else? Over here by the radishes, there's a spider web. So I'm gonna take that off. Grody. So yeah, and back here we've got some dandelions up this row, lettuce down here, and basil up there. So yeah. And then these are two zucchini plants that I planted about a week ago, I think. So that's going good. And I just transplanted them today, so they're going to look a little bit droopy for the rest of the day. So yeah. And then down here, you've got the potatoes, which are growing nicely, as you can see. And so yeah, that one back there rotted out, so I just kind of took it out. But yeah, we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seed potatoes, and I just left them in whole. So we're going to get a lot of potatoes out of this. And then over here, in this section, I have no idea I'm going to plant. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should plant over here, please leave it in the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. And strawberries are getting some nice little strawberries on them. Nice little green ones. And then they're getting some over here. I think everyone's got a couple buds on them. Yep, that one's got a bud. Actually, this one doesn't have any buds, but I think it will soon, so that's cool. And then outside, we sort of mowed. So I just kind of took all the clippings from that, and I still haven't done it yet, most of it, but I just piled it up into the compost pile, and hopefully that'll decompose pretty soon. And then over here, the rhubarb is getting pretty big. It's getting lots of flowers on it. And yeah, it's starting to turn red down here. So that's pretty cool. The lilac is pretty much staying the same, but it's getting some leaves on it. So that's pretty cool also. Let's see, what else is there? Over here, we have got some cucumbers coming out of here, this pile, and then out here. I think there may be a few pumpkins in there also. Not quite sure, because I put the compost in there and they kind of sprouted out everywhere. So, I think I might just plant the pumpkins just scattered along the yard. So, yep. And, I think that is about it. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day. Bye. So guys, I forgot to tell you this one thing, but for some reason, I think somebody reported me on my channel, and now it is on safety search. So obviously that I don't do anything inappropriate on my channel, so I'm trying to fix it, but for some reason YouTube's not responding to me. So if any of you guys know how to fix this, I'd really appreciate it. Just put it in the comment section. And yeah, so hopefully we can get my channel back on non-safe search, like just like normal safe, whatever, you get what I mean. So yeah, I think that's about it. And yeah, just thank you if you respond to this. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.